Okay, so we're gonna do another one. I don't know if it's big enough for you guys to see it. Okay, so Kate and her friend are planning a superhero movie marathon. Kate is in charge of the popcorn, so she buys 2 pounds. The label says that 1 ounce of kernels, 1 ounce of the unpopped, which is what she has, will make 1 quart. So we're going to say 1 quart per every 1 ounce, or 1 ounce per every quart. How many cups will 2 pounds make? So we want to change 2 pounds. We want to change that to cups. Okay, so we're writing down what we have, what we want, and then any rates that we're going to use. So we have 1 quart is 1 ounce, and then the other problem, or the other rates that they give us, 16 ounces in 1 lb, and then 4 cups in 1 quart. Okay. So I don't know how I'm going to use all those. I don't know if I'm going to have to flip one upside down. I just have these in case I need them. So I need to change pounds to cups. So obviously pounds and cups, there's no fraction here that directly connects pounds and cups. But I need a fraction that has pounds in it so that I can get rid of those pounds. This doesn't have pounds, this doesn't have pounds, but this does. So I'm going to put those lbs at the bottom so that I can cancel them out. And that's 1 pound, 16 ounces. Okay, so now I have ounces, and I'm going to cross this out after I've used it. So I got 16 ounces. Now I need ounces. Sorry, now I still need cups, but there's no fraction that tells me ounces to cups. But I see a fraction that has ounces in it that will enable me to cancel those ounces out. OZ, 1, 1. Okay, totally unnecessary for me to write that, but I just want you to see how we're canceling out those ounces. Why is it unnecessary? Because it's 1/1. But this makes it easier to say, okay, I'm now in quarts. Now I have a conversion to change my quarts to cups. So 1 quart, 4 cups. That, I don't know why I circled those quarts. This is what I want. Okay. Quarts is what I want. And then let me just check and make sure. Pounds and pounds, ounces and ounces, quart and quart. Okay, now I'm going to multiply all of my numbers. And this is nice because 1, 1, 1, 1. My denominator is 1, so I'm really not dividing by anything. 2 times 16, and then times 4. 2 times 16 is 32 times 4. 30 times 4 is 120. 142. Wow, I was way off. My brain is like mush today. I can't make these videos at the end of the day. I really can't. Ay, ay, ay. 128. Okay. And then cups. 128. Oh, 28. All right. I'm gonna do one more. So Elena is scuba diving off the coast of Hawaii. When she's ready to come back to the surface, she rises at a speed of 1 foot per 2 seconds. I'm actually going to, never mind. I was going to rewrite it, but distance usually is on top. So 1 foot per 2 seconds. If you wanted to write it like per 1 second, like write it as a unit rate, it'd just be 1/2 of a foot per second. But if her dive was 40 yards, how many minutes? So we have 40 yards, and we are changing to minutes. Okay, so we have those 40 yards. I am going to write 40 yards over 1. And then, do I have something that changes yards to minutes? Definitely not. Okay, but I have something that has feet per second. Okay, still not helpful to me yet. But do I have something that changes my yards that I have to feet? Yes, and I'm going to actually just write it up here. I have 3 feet per 1 yard. Okay, and I'm going to write that here. Okay, so I'm going to put my yards diagonal. Yard, 3 feet. So now my yards are gone. And now I've got feet. Okay, do I have something that changes my feet to seconds? Yes. Feet I need to put down here. Cancel, cancel. So now at least we have a unit of time, which we want, instead of distance, but we have seconds. We need to change those seconds to minutes. So get rid of those seconds. So if I'm getting rid of the seconds, I need to put it diagonal from here. And then we can convert seconds to minutes, so I can put it directly on top. Get rid of those seconds. Okay. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Okay. And then I can do the math. Let's grab a calculator. 40 times 3 times 2. Okay, and times 1 obviously is not going to change my answer. Divided by 60. So divided by 60. Okay. 4 minutes. Okay, and I knew that it was minutes because our unit was right there. Put my answer in there. Okay, that is all I wanted to do. I just wanted to do a couple more. If you guys need help, just email me and I will we can just do some of your problems together. Yeah, let me know if